The electric Porsche 911. This car has an intriguing history, originally built by John James Racing and owned by Jim, who raced it for several years. It later changed hands and was converted back to a street car, blending the best of both racing and street performance. Motor and performance. At the heart of this electric beast lies a water-cooled 436 horsepower Tesla Model S drive unit, non-sport. This powerful motor ensures that the electric Porsche 911 delivers exhilarating acceleration and top-notch performance, making it a true contender on both the track and the streets. Battery pack. The car is equipped with a water-cooled 47 kilowatt-hour OXD power lithium battery pack. The car's electronics are managed by an AEM centralized electronic control system, which integrates seamlessly with the AEM VCU 200 and AEM battery management system. Additionally, the car is equipped with two AEM PDUs, power distribution units, ensuring that all electronic components function flawlessly and efficiently. Wheels and tires. The electric Porsche 911 rides on custom wheels made by John James Racing. The front wheels measure 17 by 10, while the rear wheels are 17 by 13. These wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, with the front tires sized at 275/30/17 and the rear tires at 335/30/17. Interior. Step inside the Porsche 911 and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and sporty interior. The seats are Porsche Carbon GT 2 buckets, custom upholstered by Auto Addiction OC, offering both comfort and support during spirited drives. The dash features an AEM digital electric dash, providing all the necessary information at a glance. The switch panel is an AIM customizable 8-button setup, allowing the driver to easily control various functions of the car.